Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create BMO Harris Bank account. To create BMO Bank account, firstly open any of the web browser and at the top there's this address bar, type down bmo.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of a BMO, what you need to do is click onto the sign in the top right, and over here you need to select this register now if you do not have a BMO digital banking account. Once you get into this interface, you need to set up your online account. You need to select for your account time here as well and type down a phone number and type down account number. And over here, you need to choose the identification number if you want social security number or taxpayer identification number. And you need to enter 9 numbers without the dashes and select continue over here. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction. You need to verify your identity, your employment information, phone number, email address, US residential address, date of birth, and a valid government issue ID if requested. And after that, you need to confirm your identity and you can find your new account. You can usually transfer money from another US bank account using its routing and account number or use another available funding method. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.